Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In last 3 videos we have seen how we can insert, read and update the information in real-time database using React Native with Typescript. In this video we are going to learn how we can remove the information if by chance we want to remove any information. Removing of information is very simple. What we have to do, I need to make a copy of the button, means I need to create one more button. That button name is delete or remove. I say delete, save, and in place of, you see delete is coming, in place of update information I say delete information, and I need to create a function to delete the information. So like display information, I just make a copy of this, or I make a copy of this one, get student, make a copy of this, and I say now delete information, delete info. For deleting information is very simple. We need to remove this one, and I need to take remove function. You see this remove function is there, and we have the ID here. So on the basis of ID we want to remove the information. So once again I restart and try to do the thing. You see everything is okay here. If I click on display button, I have a 3 records here, and if I want to remove anything, first of all I have to check the ID should not be empty. So for deleting this, one more thing is missing. So I say if sid.length is greater than 0, then I need to execute the code for removing this, else I should give the information. I say toast.show, I say please pass sid, then I say toast.long, and I just do this. You see if it is empty now, and I click on delete button, if I click on delete button, and you will see that it's a please pass sid, and if I want to delete the third number of record, so I press third and I press enter, so you will see that record will come here in this text field, and I click on delete button, and you see record is removed from the here. You can see record is already removed. So after deleting we can also remove this text field also. So after removing this we can also make blank all these things. So I say set sid should be blank. Same thing I can do 4 times. So I say as name should be blank, as course should be blank, then I say as branch should be blank. Save this. You see like this way. So once again I try to fetch the information. I say second, press enter, and you will see the second record will come here. So if I click on delete button, so you see second record is also removed and this text field is also clear. So like this way we can make more optimization of your code. It depends on your requirement. Here I just simplify the code to show you only the removal process of the record from the real-time database using React Native with Typescript. You see now complete application is ready in front of you. Few more things we can also add here. We can add activity indicator also on each and every step. If we insert, then we show the activity indicator, and then we stop if information is done. Similarly for display, for update, for delete, we can use activity indicator also. We can make more optimization. That depend on your requirement. In a simple learning video it is not possible to show all the process, all the complete step in application. This video are just to show how to insert, display, update and delete the real-time data using React Native with Typescript. Few more video I am going to make on Firestore also in future. See you all on those videos also, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.